Hi all! Welcome friends tuning in online. In this special future 3 minus 2 which equals 1 times 3 minus 2 which equals 1. Now we have this problem 1 times 1 which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations we have to work on the parentheses first, then work on multiplication, and at last work on adding and subtraction. So first we do this subtraction, then this multiplication, and at last this subtraction. So we have first this parentheses 3 minus 2 1. So we have 3 minus 2 times 1. Now we have 1 subtraction and 1 multiplication. We must do this multiplication first, then this subtraction. So 2 times 1 which equals 2. So we have 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 2 which equals 1. And this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and share with friends.